Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Standard, or these are Sterlings and a few other models. Flat top Series 1 machine. We're going to put some new feet on this thing today. So this is almost done with its service job here. I still have it apart, pretty much. So the feet on this were rotted to no end here. Just rotten feet. So they were rotted like this one I've already removed. Brittle, rotten, hard, shrunk, everything. So I've got 4 replacement feet like this, and these fit Underwood universals, but they also will fit these with just a little bit of modification, if even. So I've already got the foot on here and the foot on this one, all good. This one I've already removed the old foot, and the new one just slips in pretty easy. There's a couple guide pieces right here and here, but then it just goes in like that. Now it is a little loose in here, so what you need to do with these is squeeze these 2 arms back together. They are a little wider for the other style. So see, these are already like bent. It's just the shape they came with. So you just take your channel locks and just squeeze these together after the foot is on there. So you just put that on there like that, and then you can just squeeze these together to make it fit a little snugger. Kind of give them both about equal amount of squeeze, and then that holds it in place. You don't want to squeeze it too tight, or it will impede the button up against the frame here. But that's perfect right there. Just a little bit of squeeze, and that's in place and ready to go. So let's look at the bottom one here. That way, it's the last one I haven't touched yet. See if I can get some other light in here. So these are so bad, and they just crumble as I take these off. They just crumbles like that. And then the old piece there. So that's the old piece. Pretty bad. Well, it's getting to be 100 years old. What do you expect? Okay, so now we just got the opening there again. Same thing with this one. Just fits right in there like that, and we're going to squeeze this one like we did the other one, and just squeeze this together real quick. Maybe a little more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now the only concern is the height of these feet are a little more than the original height of these, I think. These are just compressed anyhow, but I was concerned about that, but I have already tried it in the carrying case, and even though it's a very tight fit, as far as being able to latch up, it does work. Here's the case. So there's a latch back here that fits in the back of the machine, right back there. So you just got to get that in the slot. Like normal right there. And so that fits in there just fine. So the back feet are just fine. The front feet is where the problem is. Not necessarily that's a problem, but it's a tight fit. So you need to push this down to get this latch to latch up. So just line this. It doesn't have the case on it, so I have to position it like it's like the case is on it, which is a little tricky to get just right. Alright, so that's it right there. So that latch needs to pop up right there. And if you push down the center here, you'll see it pop up. Let me get this centered here. It gets latched in there. Nope. So let's try it again. I had to push kind of hard, but it did latch up, and it's in the case. Latched in here, very secure. So they are tight fit, but they're probably going to compress with time too. So now to pop it back out of the case, you just push this button down, and it comes right out. So I guess worst case scenario would be to trim a little rubber off if needed. Trim just a little bit off the platform here if it doesn't want to latch up easy enough. But so these feet, I got these feet from mytypewriter.com, and they've got a lot of different feet for a lot of different typewriters, and they got dust covers and good stuff. So I would look them up for feet. I don't sell these directly really, so it's mytypewriter.com, and they're going to have feet for all these vintage typewriters in stock here shortly, if not already, and also nice clear dust covers for all typewriter sizes. I will put the link in my description and down in my comment section so you can contact them for typewriter stuff. Alright, the feet are nice. Alright, that feels great. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.